Okay, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here and we are back again for another vlog. Wala tayo sa ating studio, dito tayo ngayon sa Shangri-La the Fort and we're doing the unboxing outdoors na, no? Kasi medyo mainit sa bahay. But now, ito tayo sa very comfy aircon hotel room. Alright, this summer heat, itong hot dry season natin, no? Talagang ang hirap mag-unboxing. So ngayon, we are going to unbox a new wearable device from Huawei Philippines. So this is the Huawei Watch 4 from Huawei Philippines. So actually, napadala ito ni Huawei a few weeks ago. Ngayon ko pala siya ma-unbox at matatry. At na-feature ko na rin dito sa previous vlogs natin, no? Yung bagong kalalabas lang ni Huawei Watch 4. At actually, I'm wearing the Huawei GT2e. This is my smartwatch na from Huawei, one of the best smartwatch ever, no? Pinanliligo ko to sa pool, pinanliligo ko to sa dagat, nagda-diving tayo, and it's still okay. Bagong palit lang yung aking rubber strap. Napalit na ako kasi nasira na yung kasi mapunta rin na almost 2 years na rin din eh. So now, before I unbox the Huawei Watch 4, discuss ko muna sa inyo yung tech specs at kung magkano itong Huawei Watch 4. Napakaganda ng features nito, no? Abangan ninyo, i-discuss natin to ngayon to. Well, teaser na rin din, you can use this for GCash payment, sa QR code thing, and also meron siyang eSIM. It means that you can accept video calls ba o calls lang, and SMS messages. Ayun, so ayun, discuss na natin yung tech specs nito, and alright, let's do this. Alright, ito yung tech specs ni Huawei Watch 4. So ang kanyang display is meron siyang 1.5 inches na LTPO AMOLED color screen, 3D curved sapphire glass display. At sa kanyang screen to body ratio is 74%. For the resolution, gumagamit siya ng 466 by 466 pixels PPI 310 resolution, at meron siyang IP6X dust resistance, IPX8 water resistance, at 3D rotatable crown. Sabihin nun is very protected yung kanyang display. So dust resistance rin siya, tsaka water resistance, and also ventilation yung kanyang sapphire glass display. For the system requirements, gumagamit siya, kailangan lang niya is Android 6.0 or later, at pwede rin din iOS 13 or later. At least they're talking about the smartphone. I-prepare mo yung Huawei Watch, no? Which is mas maganda, better if yung naka-Huawei smartphone ka. Dimension ng smartwatch na ito is 46.2mm by 46.2mm by 10.9mm. For the wrist size, ang kanyang size is 140 to 210mm, yung kanyang wrist na bilog. And then ang weight niya is 48 grams, strap excluded. So may microphone siya, no? Kanyang speaker style microphone. At ang kanyang watch case is stainless steel. Yung watch strap niya is gumagamit siya ng black fluoro elastometer strap, at may mga features siya like mga sensors, no? Like accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, optical heart rate sensors, yun yung pinamagandang feature niya, ambient light sensor, barometer, temperature sensor, ECG sensor. Uy, bago-bago to, ECG sensor at depth sensor. Display natin mamaya yung ECG sensor niya. For the buttons, meron siyang home button na rotating crown at side button. For the charging port, gumagamit siya ng wireless charging, NFC. Meron siyang Bluetooth 2.4 GHz, and it can support na Bluetooth 5.2 at BR plus BLE. For its water resistant level, ang kaya niya is 5 ATM at dive niya up to 30 meters. Ambient operating temperature niya is 0 Celsius hanggang 35 Celsius. Parang mainit-init na yung 35, no? Usually 35, 36, 37. Yun yung weather namin sa bahay. Biro nyo, napakainit na nun, no? For the battery, gumagamit siya ng 530 mAh battery. For the standard mode niya na 3 days, kaya niya nito yung 2 hours na LTE, 22 hours na Bluetooth, 60 minutes app use, 30 minutes Bluetooth calls, 30 minutes Bluetooth music, 90 minutes workout at 200 times display. So, yun yung battery life niya pag naka 3 days. Kumbaga, in 3 days, yun yung mga gawa ninyo. For the ultra long battery life mode niya, sabi it's 8 days for typical usage. And minsan sabi pa nga kaya daw to hanggang 14 days. Ito yung mga gagamit mo in 8 days no, or 14 days. 30 minutes na Bluetooth calls per week, 30 minutes na music play, health sensor, naka-on din, 180 minutes na GPS, 50 messages, 6 calls, 3 alarms at 40 minutes screen on per day. Yun yung ang lifespan ng battery for 8 to 14 days. Ayun, pinapakita ko yung GT2 UI ko. Ito nga pala siya yung Watch 4 natin. Gagana natin ito mamaya. For more features ni Huawei Watch 4, it is using an aircraft grade material, spherical sapphire, LTPO, always on display screen. Meron siyang eSIM, standalone communication, powerful health management functions. Meron siyang professional workout modes at iOS and Android phones compatible na rin din siya. Napakadami niyang ano, no? Siyempre, yung mga sensors naman, feature dito yung ECG sensor. ECG, parang naano man ito sa mga hospital lang, no? Na may measure yung parang about dun sa heart to eh. Parang sensor for the heart. At ito yung meron si Huawei Watch 4. Other sensors niya, meron siyang 8-channel optical heart rate sensor at temperature sensor. Meron siyang feature na natawag na Smart Health Management. This is yung heart health na ECG, PPG, arrhythmia analysis. It can check for irregular heartbeat. Uy, kasi parang may sensor yata na pag irregular heartbeat mo, may alarm yata na mangyayaring ganon. This is for the cardiovascular health, arterial stiffness detection. Ayan. At meron siyang features na health trends and reminders, stress monitoring, at continuous SpO2 monitoring. Wow, continuous SpO2 monitoring. Parang sa ibang ina-activate ko pa yun. Ngayon, ito continuous yung kanyang pag-monitor. For the respiratory health naman, meron siyang respiratory health assessment, meron siyang health glance, sleep health, true sleep 3.0, yung mga sensor na to, no? At saka all-day activity record, fostering healthy lifestyle. So, lahat yan na kukompile niya to send you a report to your heart and also to respiratory rin din. At meron din siyang 100 plus workout modes, which includes running, cycling, mountain hiking, triathlon, indoor swimming, golf, elliptical machine, rowing, and free diving. Uy, mga free divers dyan, ha? Tingnan ito. Pero pag 30 meters lang siya, huwag kayong pupunta lang beyond 30, like going deep up to 50. Free diving, ha? Pwede to. Pwede rin siya, meron siyang mountain hike watch face. It means that it gives more data for health at map proof. Kasi since may eSIM siya, you can activate the map na rin din para at least di ka maligaw. You're not using the phone na yung watch na lang ang gamitin mo for tracking sa GPS. For the health glance, meron siyang cardiovascular monitor. Sabi to, press and hold the side button for 30 seconds, tapos malakita mo na yung cardiovascular monitor mo. Meron siyang basic health monitoring. So sabi to, lift your finger from the side button, relax and stay still for 15 seconds. Ayan. Tapos makita mo na yung health monitoring mo. Tapos meron siyang respiratory check, enable the recording permission, and cough 2 to 3 times within 15 seconds. So sabihin nun, malalaman na yung respiratory check mo, mag-uubo ka daw, parang coughing ka na 3 times within 15 seconds para ma-measure if may problema ka ba sa respiratory system mo. At ito sa mga features din niya is, meron siyang independent eSIM. eSIM, no? Di ba kailangan ng ibang SIM to? eSIM na rin siya, ipaprogram mo na lang siya. It says it can always online ka, you can send and receive calls and SMS. So it can do one number for 2 devices and do independent call. Uy, okay, very interesting to. Hindi ko pa ako nakatry ng eSIM ever, so this is my first time to try an eSIM. Ang question, hindi ko pa atadala yung eSIM ko. We'll do a follow-up review for that. At also can do GCash QR code payment na rin din. At meron siyang Planet Conceptual Design and Aesthetics. So yung watch face mo, pwede mo lagyan ng planet, no? Parang planet as part of kumbaga visual designs, no? So, ng Huawei Watch 4. At it can do remote photo taking, but it only works with Huawei phones lang. Tapos sa body and strap color, isa lang, black fluoroelastometer strap. Ayun, yung color niya black lang. At ang kanyang SRP is 22,999. Ayun ang sale niya ngayon, no? Ang for sale niya. At may promo si Huawei, sana available pa si Huawei Philippines. May promo siya na SoundJoy worth 6,999. So for a price of 22,999, parang bumili ka ng smartphone, no? But it's a wearable. Wearable na napaka-high-tech na may ECG monitor, can monitor your health respiratory, your sleep, tsaka yung healthy lifestyle nyo, no? Lahat yan makakompile. It's very much for a fitness person, especially sa mga lifestyle person na mahilig sa wearable. This is the phone for you. Alright, medyo mahaba yung ating unboxing. Let's now unbox na natin to ngayong Huawei Watch 4 para magamit na natin sa pang-araw-araw natin. Alright, unbox na natin. Let's do this. Alright guys, now let's unbox the Huawei Watch 4 from Huawei Philippines. Thank you so much. So, ang strap nito nito is color black. We will just unbox it, do a short setup, and then after that, let's do a review after this video. No? Alright, let's do this. Unbox na natin to for 22,999. This is so nice. Wow. Ang ganda, oh. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano ito i-activate, but I'm very interested to see the smartwatch. So, inside the box, you get the unit, and then sa side, it's the charger. Ano ba yung charger niya? Yung charger niya, it's the same na rin din, no? Kasi I have the watch GT2E. Almost the same din yung kanyang charger. Ay, hindi, iba na. Wala na siyang parang buta. Ay, parang metallic pins. So, it's already magnetic na. Magnetic na to. Yeah, it's magnetic. Ayan, it's magnetic. It's magnetic. Hindi siya nahuhulog, oh. It's magnetic. That's nice. That's a new upgrade, no? So, what else do we have here? Wala na, puro manuals na. So, walang other cases. So, wala na laman tong ibang box, eh. Wala na. Yun lang talagang laman niya. So anyway, pasok ko na to, baka mawala ko pa. And let's focus on the Huawei Watch 4 setup. Actually, hindi ko pa alam kung paano ko to sa setup, but wait lang. Nagpahiram din si Huawei ng Huawei phone. I forgot kung anong model to. This is a Huawei Nova Y71. So we're going to pair this thing here. Hindi ko lang alam kung dala ko yung eSIM ko, no? I think di ko ata dala. So later on we will explore on how to activate the eSIM. But first, let me activate this watch. Sana may charge siya, no? Sana may charge siya. So paano ba to i-on? Well, I guess I need to check out the manual. Oh, mukhang wala tong battery. Ayun, nag-vibrate na. Nag-vibrate siya, and yeah, we got a Huawei logo. Ayan. Antayin natin siya mag-set up, at I think it will pair to this Huawei device na kailangan ata may app pa yata. I'm not sure what app that we need to do, but I need to turn on my data para makapag parang personal hotspot. So, we're waiting, and that's the Huawei logo. Wow. Wow. Harmony OS siya. Astig. So, for comparison, no, medyo malaki-laki lang si GT2E sa Huawei Watch 4. This is much more compact na dyan, no? Kasi meron siyang parang crown for buttons. At yung ilalim niya, that's the sensor. And very simple na siya. Hindi kamukha nung dati. Ito medyo iba yung style niya, eh. May mga ilaw-ilaw. Ito parang walang ilaw sa ilalim, eh. And here we go. Let's set it up. Let's click English. Okay. English. Uy, wow. Scan the QR code to download the health app on your phone. So, use the QR code. Okay, that's the QR code. No? Hindi nyo na makita, no? Actually, that's the QR code. Highlight natin. Ayan. So, I need to use this phone para ma-download yung QR code. Saan na siya? And I think this is the QR code scanner o AI lens. So, okay. I think I need to connect to the Wi-Fi muna. Wait lang. Okay, scan na natin to. Paano ba to i-scan? Scan. AI lens. Ayan. And we got it. And we need to download the Huawei Health app daw. So, let's go to browser. Ayan, install muna natin to. Wait lang. Dinala tayo sa I think sa Petal app yata to, eh. So, install the Huawei Watch Huawei Health pala, Huawei Health, para ma-pair na natin yung ating Huawei Watch 4. This is very interesting, no? Ayan, installing na. Wait natin matapos. Dapat pala dinala ko yung aking Huawei P30, no? Kasi P30 ko yung may Huawei Health na. So, let's open it. Ayan, open na. And ito kasi yung way na to pair. We will just add the devices. Oops. Add natin yung devices. Add device. Tapos enable daw yung Bluetooth. Scanning na. I-scan na rin din siya. So antayin natin. Scanning. Ayan, Huawei Watch 4. Let's connect. Ayan, communication na silang dalawa. Ayan. So I think after nito, it will connect to my phone at mag-update yung kanyang firmware. Alam ko ganun yun eh. So allow daw Bluetooth messaging. Please confirm on a wearable device. Uy, nagbago na siya. Let's click check. Ayan. Malapit na tayong mag-set up. Confirming. Antayin natin to, no? Confirm. Pairing na rin din siya. I think it's okay na, no? Next AI tip, enable all. Ayan, yung mga permissions. And nag-vibrate na. It's pairing successful na. So, it's done already. Okay, so kailangan daw niya i-sync daw. I think I need to enter pa my Huawei ID after this. So, since nakasync na siya, let's click start. Ito sa phone. Okay, crown for the task daw, sabi niya. So may tutorial, press to wake AI voice. Ito AI voice daw. Rotate crown to navigate. Ito na yung pang navigate. So hindi mo na kailangan mag-swipe. So configuring na tayo. At it says here that there's a firmware available na kailangan i-update doon sa watch. So, grabe, laki ng file. 424 MB. So I guess baka hindi ko pa ma-update to, and we will update this sa bahay. Well, I guess it's already downloading, no? Malaki din siya, no? Malaki din. So antayin natin to. I'll just pause this video for a moment at balik tayo in a bit. Alright? Alright. So ganun siya. Para siyang moon. There's a satellite revolving doon sa moon. So it means that it's configuring na. While configuring yung sa phone, it's updating I think the firmware. At yun ang ita-transfer niya mamaya dito sa phone. So sabi dito, watch daw is ready. So let's click. Ito, click daw the button. Ayan, oh my God, ang ganda. So I need to wear this now, no? So may mga permission daw. Agree. So it means that it needs connection. Ang ganda naman ito. Suotin ko na, no? I'll be removing now this Huawei GT2e. So goodbye for the moment, and I'll be wearing now this new Huawei. May ilaw din pala siya. May ilaw din siya for the sensor, no? So suotin ko na to. Ayan. Napakagaan niya, grabe. It's very lightweight compared to my Huawei GT2. Tsaka sa size, laki ng GT2e ko, no? Sa Watch 4 it's very small, pero ito very high tech. Ganda ng Earth to. Pwede bang moon? There's the weather. Okay. So, to navigate, I'll just press this. Uy, yung nangyayari. Uy, nagbago yung yung Earth. Oh my God, ano nangyayari? At habang pinipili ko to, no, I can feel the vibration. Okay, so that's my watch face. Let's browse. So, touch and hold, that's the some of the stats. Agree. So, daming permission, no? Agree. Next activity record, burning calorie. Okay, dami pang set goals. Wala pa naman tayong set na goals eh. So, need to go back. So, footsteps, activity, ayan. Heart BPM, ayan. Grabe. Ang bilis ng heart BPM ko kasi nakatayo ako eh. Events, wala pa naman. Workout mode, at wala na. So, sa kabilang side, it's the weather. Ayan. I think it's the, kung ano yung location ko. So, ayun. Agree. Daming permission ulit. I think kailangan niya yung location ko, no? Okay. location. Hindi ko pa nakakabit yung eSIM kasi pag-aaralan ko pa on how can I pair it. We're in Makati, that's 34. My God. Okay, so yun lang, no? Swiping down, it's the settings, super link, airplane mode, drain, settings, Wi-Fi, there's Wi-Fi, screen on, alarm, find phone, do not disturb, sleep, at flashlight. Pag flashlight, it's, uy, ganun. Paano ko babalik doon? Swipe up, ayan, okay na. Oop, bumalik tayo doon. Parang i-off yung flash na yon. Alright. Okay, at sa baba, notification, ID successfully linked daw. So, more on notification pala dito. So, we are going to perform soon on how to activate the ECG. So, ito yung health glance na sinasabi ko. Health glance. Ayan. Agree. So, marami siyang left daw, left wrist. Okay, done. At quickly measure your health. So, hindi pa naman ito nasusuot, no? There are 3 types total. Sit. Okay. For the heart. Okay. Touch the electrode to start. So, 3. Okay. So, measurement stop. So, paano ba yan? Okay. Okay. Touching your skin daw. Touch naman yung skin ko, Measure. Okay. Touch the electrode to start. Okay. Do not press too hard daw. So, isang pindot lang pala. Oop. Ayaw, Okay. Poor signal. Okay. So, take your finger off the electrode. Ito na, nagme-measure na siya ng aking ECG. So, sit comfortably and hold still. Actually, nakatayo nga ako So, nagme-measure na siya ng ECG ko, no? I think it's the ECG, no? Antayin natin. Medyo nakakangawit to, no? Kasi nakataas yung kamay ko. So, this is just a short test lang para mapakita natin yung features ng Huawei Watch 4. Ayan. 10, 9. Wala man ako nararamdaman ng anything, no? Wala siyang vibration, wala siyang something. And napakahusay. Nagso-software update. Ano ba naman yan? I think that na-download na niya, yung buong updates. And now, the update, it's now transferring to my watch. So, I guess I'll do another test sa ibang venue. Update ko muna to, tapos let's do the ECG thing, the heart monitor, health monitor, respiratory monitor, para at least may demo ko sa inyo, no? So, it's transferring mga 5. Medyo matagal-tagal din ito. Antayin natin, And 98% na at 99, it's 100. Software update. Let's check it out, yo. Kung anong mangyayari. I think it will restart, no? Ano niya, strap. So, black elastro something. It's verifying. So, okay, install na. So, okay, charge your device to at least to install the update. Okay. So, we're back again. Health glance. So, measure tayo ulit. At balik tayo dito sa ating heart monitoring thing. So, ayaw niyang gumana. Poor signal. Okay. So, electrode thing. Another 40 plus seconds to track my health. Ayan. Tayin natin to. Medyo matagal, no? So, for 22,999, you get this high-tech watch from Huawei Philippines, no? The Huawei Watch 4. I guess baka pwedeng home credit. Kasi nasa home credit event tayo kanina. I think you can check out Abenson. Gusto nyo mag-avail nito via home credit. Ayan. So, take note, wala akong nararamdaman o anything, Walang vibration or, ayan, nag-vibrate na. So, step 3, take a deep breath and get closer to the watch. Cough 3 times daw. So, continue. allow ayan, umuubo tayo. So, I think that's 3 times na, oh. Okay na. Sana yung breath, yung makuha natin yung tamang ano. Ayan. So, analyzing siya. So, sabi natin, no, wala tayong abnormalities. So, wala tayong problema sa ating respiratory. And that's it. That's one of the features, no, of the Huawei Watch 4, and I think we're going to explore this more para maintindihan pa natin yung mga ibang features niya, no? Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Thank you so much, Huawei Philippines, for this demo unit of the Huawei Watch 4, and it's already out now in the market. Alright, see you guys at the next video.